I think our mulberry has some berries on it this year. It's just starting to get ripe. And the birds have already started to discover them. Like that one is partially eaten by a bird. But there's plenty enough for them and for me. Because I am just in one little small section of this, and I mean, you can see how many berries there are here. Thousands. Like, thousands. The best part is, the birds planted this for me. Because I didn't know what it was. I kept cutting it down for several years. And then I was like, this thing just keeps growing, I'm going to let it. And I did. And this is what happened. So we're going to have to start harvesting soon, because there's a lot of berries on here. And they're just starting to get ripe. So if we keep up with them, it shouldn't be too bad. And of course, the birds will keep up with them too.